McKinsey also put out a report on, what's going on around the globe in regards to the advancement of data and analytics. And so that's why we came up with the theme of Beyond the Hype. So just a little bit of background. So McKinsey has been writing multiple reports. And I think I read their first report back in 2011, which actually said the insurance industry had the most the most financial benefit of any industry in the world, because we are an industry about data, and that they thought that the insurance industry would have great financial economic gains by leveraging data, because that's what we use. But what's interesting is, and this report does go across multiple industries, but when you think about, so what does it mean to be data-driven? And I think as I look at some of the findings, and I've been in the insurance industry for a number of years as well, is while we are an industry that's built upon data, I think we've always struggled with data, even though it's our lifeblood. And it's kind of interesting to think about, now what's really different is now we've got new data sources that are available to us as an industry. We heard in the session this morning, we've got volumes and volumes of data. Companies that are looking to embrace, IoT, looking at the different types of analytics, whether it's, preventative type analytics, it's predictive models and so forth. But I personally see in our industry, there's still pockets of people that think analytics is reporting. And so in your guys' organizations, how many are using predictive modeling today? How many would say that reporting is your definition of analytics? Well, that's good. Anyone using IoT, any form of IoT yet? A few, okay. So I think the interesting thing, and I actually have a customer community that I lead around the insurance industry as well. And yesterday, one of the topics was, how do you find the ROI in data and analytics? And it was quite interesting to listen to the conversation. I'm getting away from the slide a little bit, but just to give you some color commentary and context. And it was interesting, the group spans across, life companies, reinsurance companies, property casualty organizations, and it's, European companies, North America, a few Canadian, and we do have one company out of Japan that, depending upon the time of the day, they can participate. And it was really interesting. The line came down between property casualty and reinsurance seemed to be more willing to take the challenge of we can afford to do this without knowing that there's a firm ROI.